True, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. And yo, today we got Te Kupenga. Let's get it. Do they only have one line of wahine? They do only have one thing. I'm sorry, girl. But I'm sorry, girl. Gee, you know this ain't my style, G. You know I don't move like this. You fellas who suggested this, G. Where the hell did that come from? Why don't you just tell me? Why don't you just start with that? Oh, it's... No offense to the Kaitatiki wahine, but how come she didn't do the karanga? She's a mean singer. So I don't know what to say, eh? How do I be nice about this, eh? I like the kapahaka ropu as a whole there. That was all good. I didn't like the way it started though. But then it like sort of shook me like straight after because I thought, oh, this looks like it's gonna be a fucking ahe. But that wasn't the worst whakayeki I've seen, G. That's for sure. I'm gonna be honest there. The kaitatiki wahine, G. I don't know what it is, G. But I'm just not feeling it, G. Respectfully, and I mean that with respect. I'm just not my cup of tea, G. Here we go. Ooh, I like that. I like that motitia. It's nice and short. Thank you. I like that motitia. Oh. I'm locking in, G. The use of the Tane and Wahine numbers are mean as like the formations that they're using with the numbers that they have. Really well done. That's not too bad. There was a nice waiata. Action's very nice. Yeah, to be honest though, he's gonna hate me, bro. He's gonna hate me. Poi time. This one's for you, ladies. A little bit fast. I think their best item so far is definitely the whakeeke. But I think what's gonna take the cake is gonna be this hakaji. I don't really like the poi ladies. I'm sorry. That one wasn't for me. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Clip farming. Ow! Here we go, here we go. big boy can hacker it. Further off the head, eh? Right. Yeah. Right. You know what that reminds me of, eh? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. If you haven't seen Amazing World of Gumball, that's what that reminds me of. Do it. W Kai Tak C. W Kai Tak. Ah, he should have been like that the whole time, man. Kaita Te Kitane, G. Whatever your name is, I like you, G. Final verdict, G. But I reckon, they need to lessen the pool. And what I mean by that is they keep handing out different jobs to different people, That's just me. Their best item, G, was the whakawatia for sure, and And the whakaeke, G. They had a mean whakaeke. It was a bit surprising to see them like just pull it out of nowhere, G. Like the hakara, there was heaps of pauses, G. I don't really like that. I don't mind like a short little pause, maybe like 2-3 seconds. Yeah, nah, that's not really my style. I'm so sorry, you fellas need justice, Don't give me the Rachel's, G, cause then you fellas aren't gonna like me, It's not that I didn't like yous, it's just I got bored, Unfollow me right now, Tane though, low-key Tane were a highlight. There was a couple flat notes too, but Tane were a highlight. Whoever's not coming to Kapahaka practices, G, hit them up. Lessen the pool to 3 people. It'll be mean. That chick that was singing, she should have led everything. I'm so sorry. Don't take anything to offense. I'm saying this with love. But anyway, that's the end of this video. If you like more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It will help me out so much, and I appreciate it. You probably won't want to do that after this video, but hey, until next time. Cheers.